It's a 2015 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, this spacious crossover was built for fun. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific looking piece of machinery, short coupled and athletic, with a long rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.